Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace an air filter in an ND Mazda Miata. This is a super simple process, but this video will teach you everything you need to know. First thing is to pop the hood. So to replace your air filter, you actually don't even need any tools. The air filter is right here in this air box, and to do that, we're going to unclip a few things around this, and then we'll be able to sneak the old filter out and the new one back in. So to get started, we could release this line right here, which is a plastic clip that you could get off by hand. To do that, you could pull up right there, and that will open up. This will give you just a little bit of extra room to move this air box. And then to release the air box, there are two clips on it. There's one right here, and one over on the back side right there. And to remove these, all you have to do is push with your thumb outwards, and they'll unclip. Now we could lift up on the top of the airbox just like that, and you could see your air filter in here. To remove this, you could go ahead, lift this up and pull it out, and then your filter's out of your car. As you can see here, this filter was chewed up by mice, which is why I'm replacing it. So you want to frequently check in that airbox just to make sure you don't have any filter damage. Now we're going to put the new filter into the airbox. To do that, lift up on the airbox, slide this down and back, and then it will sit right into place. Make sure that this thing is fully down and not lifted up on any of the outsides of the airbox. Once that's dropped down, we could go over on this side, and there are two tabs on the airbox that we need to slide into the housing here. So to do that, we'll press sort of down and back like that, so those tabs line up. Now you could drop your airbox down and get these two clips back in place. If you're looking for an air filter, I have those linked down below. And if you're looking for any other Miata related items, from shirts to light switch covers that look like Miata valve covers, I have those linked down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you fix your problem.